We believe what the Declaration of Independence says, that all men are created equal and that they're endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights. That means if we believe that, we believe every child has worth and every child has value. Well, right now we have 450 children approximately in foster care. Of those, about 300 of them are with non-relative foster homes. Those children, we have about 120 foster home beds available in Muskogee County to serve them. So obviously we do not have enough beds to meet the need. So these children wind up placed all over the state of Georgia. And when we move them out of Columbus, we're moving them away from their life, from their family, from their friends, from their school, from their church, from their activities. And that's very traumatic for the child when we have to do that. We got a movie we show prospective foster parents about this little girl that's getting constantly moved. And one of the things these kids wind up doing is taking all their stuff and putting it in a big black garbage bag. So the kid's in a home, and then all of a sudden some social worker shows up and says, "You have to move." And the child has to go in that room that's not her room anymore and take all of her stuff and throw it in a black garbage bag and drag it to another foster home. I mean, I can't imagine how traumatizing that is for a child to have to go through one time, but imagine going through it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times over the life of a case. It's just terrible. And that's why we need these good, strong foster parents that can help us avoid that. Well, the reason the church should care about this is every one of these children that's in that 450 is a person. Every one of them, we believe, is created in the image of God. The Declaration of Independence says they have rights. So the church should look at these people as people, not just numbers in a system. And foster parents that have a church relationship have a great opportunity to impact these children for the rest of their life and help give them a healthy view of God and a healthy view of spirituality and their whole person, rather than just trying to deal with their physical or emotional stuff in isolation. The other great thing about the church being involved is the church can look holistically at the family of the child. And that's where the church really impacts. And the ministry opportunity, imagine how wonderful it would be for a church. Takes in a foster child, gets to know the birth mother, gets to know the father, and is able to impact that whole family. And then when that little darling goes home, then that church can continue to support that family and help them stay home. So one of the things we also work with churches on is supporting these families once we make a return so that they're successful when they get the child back.